So let's go back to that video to see if the views that we bought is already counting. Remember that video had 129 views before. So let's go. As you can see right there, the video is currently 130, so but don't worry, let's leave Facebook and come back to see if the video views have changed, because most times if you refresh, it might not work like that until you leave Facebook. But let's just check. So right now it's 134, which means that they're already counting. But let's leave Facebook and come back again. So right now we're back on Facebook. As you can see, the views has increased to 334 views, right? Remember that before we placed this order, it was 129 views, right? Guys, in this video I'm going to be teaching you guys how to buy Facebook views in Ghana, and it's very simple. All you need to do is to make sure that you watch this video from beginning to the end, as I'm going to be teaching you guys how to buy Facebook views in this video. So the first thing you need to do is for you to come to this website called growbettergh.com, right? So, I'm going to be putting the link in the description, so you don't need to worry, you just need to tap on it and it will take you to the website. So when you come to the website, this is exactly how it looks like if you come for the first time. And the first thing I need to teach you is how to create an account in this platform. So if you want to create an account, all you need to do is just to come down right here where you can see this sign up right here. Can you see this sign up right here? You just need to tap on it. And once you tap on it, it will bring you to this place where you're going to create a username. And after creating a username, you just put your email right here and create a password right here. And come right here and confirm your password. After confirming your password, the next thing you need to do is for you to click on this I'm not a robot right here. And once you tap on it, the next thing you need to do is for you to tap on the sign up right here, and your account is going to be created. Easy peasy. You can see it was so fast. All right, so because I already have an account, there's no need for me to start creating a new account. All I need to do is just to log into my account, and I'm going to be showing you guys the next step that we're going to be taking. So welcome back, guys. I've logged into my account, and if you log into your account, this is exactly how it's going to be looking like. So the first thing you need to do if you want to buy Facebook views in Ghana is for you to actually click on this category right here. Can you see this category? You just need to tap on it, and once you tap on it, you can see Instagram views, Instagram likes, Instagram followers. You don't need to scroll up and go and look for Facebook views, right? So you just need to go and look for Facebook views. And let's keep searching for it. As you can see right here, you can see this Facebook video views. Can you see Facebook video views right here? Can you see? You need to tap on it, and once you tap on it, the next thing you need to do is just to tap on this these services. And as you can see, this one only has one service. You just need to leave it and read the description. The description stated that the minimum you can order is 500 views, and the max you can order is 100 million views, which means that you can actually get 100 million views in this platform. And the link type is your video views or video link or your Reels link. So depending either your video link or your Reels link. So right here they say the processing speed may vary during peak service time. Do not place second order on the same link until your current order is completed in the system. So when you place an order, all you need to do is for you to just to wait for the order to complete. Do not place another order. If you place another order, it might contradict it, right? So the next thing you need to do right here is for you to actually come to this link right here and paste your video link or your Reels link. But if you don't know how to copy your video link, let me show you guys how to do it. You just need to go to Facebook, and you just need to, here is one of my Facebook page, Grow Better, as you can see. So all I just need to do is just to look for a video. So let's use this video. As you can see, this video has 129 views, right? So all we need to do basically is for us to just copy the link. And how do you copy the link? All you need to do is to click on this share right here. Can you see this share? Tap on the share, and you can see down here, you can see copy link, and boom, tap on it and your link is copied. And all we need to do is to come back to Grow Better and paste our link. And the next thing we need to do is to put the quantity. So right here, you remember that video has 129 views, so we just need to, let's purchase like 200 views in order to make it like 300 plus views, right? So you just need to click done, and you can see this place the road submit. You just need to tap on the submit in order for you to submit your order. So you just need to tap on submit, and boom, as you can see, our order has been received. Easy peasy. So what we need to do next basically is for us to wait for this order to start coming in that video. But before then, I want you guys to understand that whatever we are doing in this platform is not free. You need to pay money for you to actually get these services. And how do you now fund account in this platform? It's very easy. All you need to do is for you to tap on this three line up here. Can you see that three line up here? You just need to tap on it, and once you tap on it, by your left hand side you can see this add fund right here. Can you see this add fund? Just tap on it, and once you tap on it, you can see the instruction right there stated kindly make payment to the account number below. You can see the the account number, you can see Momo and it's MTN, and you can also see the name on it is Emmanuel Dozie. And right here they said payment should be from 20 cedis up, do not send below. And they also said provide proof of payment screenshot with your username so that your payment can be completed and confirmed. Right here they also said click on the link to get directed to our admin, contact us. Right, so all you need to do is to click on this contact us, it will take you to the WhatsApp number, or click on this WhatsApp icon right here, it will take you to the WhatsApp number. Easy peasy, send your proof of payment and your GrowBetter username, and they are going to send you and they are going to help you to confirm your payment, and your payment will be reflected in the website. Right, so this is exactly how to fund your account in this platform. Yeah, so let's go back to that video to see if the views that we bought is already counting. Remember that video had 129 views before, so let's go. As you can see right here, the video is currently 130, so but don't worry, let's leave Facebook and come back to see if the video of views have changed, because most times if you refresh it might not work like that until you leave Facebook. But let's just check. So right now it's 134, which means that they're already counting. But let's leave Facebook and come back again. So right now we're back on Facebook. As you can see, the views has increased to 334 views, right? Remember that before we placed this order, it was 129 views, right? And also most times they actually give us extra views, so I can actually refresh and see that it might even have increased again. Okay, there's still 339 views actually. So this is exactly how to boost your views on Facebook if you are in Ghana. So if you're in Ghana and if you want to buy views, all you need to do is for you to come to this website right here, growbettergh.com, and create an account and fund your account. And after funding your account, you need to do the same thing I did, just step by step, the same way I did it, and you'll be able to buy Facebook views in Ghana. Right, so the link in the description, just click on it and it will take you to the website and create an account. So thank you all for watching, and see you in my next video.